Hey everyone, I'm Jill and this is YesterKitchen. Today we're going to explore the 1960s and make an ambrosia salad or an ambrosia dessert. You can decide. You're going to love it. So Ambrosia's been around pretty much forever. It originally was the food of the gods, and when the gods ate ambrosia, they would have immortality. And somehow that morphed through one version of a salad into this version of a salad, which is really a dessert, but it's called a salad. Very, very popular in the South, especially around the holiday time. And it started out, the original ambrosia salad was more of just some citrus fruit, maybe some grapefruit or some orange, a little powdered sugar, and a little bit of coconut sometimes some other fruits. It just kind of depended on the cook, but it turned into something magical. It's very, very similar to our old friend, the Watergate salad. Hey, Watergate salad, remember that? If not, check it out. But for now, we're gonna just make this stuff and you're gonna love it. So we're gonna start with 1 8-ounce can of sour cream. And I just like to make it right into the serving bowl because it's just gonna be so much easier. So we have our sour cream, and now we have 2 cups of pineapple, which is just a large can of pineapple in chunks. And you want it drained, so got some of that juice in there, so I'm gonna try to keep that in the bowl. Or else you're gonna have a very wet dish. And then you want 1 11-ounce can of drained Mandarin oranges. So we do have a nod to the original dish with the oranges. A Cup Mini Marshmallows. A cup of flaked coconut, the sweetened kind. And then you just kind of mix, oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Just kind of start mixing it all together. And don't worry, we'll clean up the serving bowl. This is just so easy to put together. Company loves it. And as you can see, it's truly a salad, but it's very easily a dessert. And that, my friends, is it. So now that our salad is all mixed, it needs to spend the night in the fridge. So 10 to 12 hours, but overnight. And then what's gonna happen is your marshmallows are gonna break down and things are gonna be just super happy and magic. But we're just gonna pretend that happened. And we're just gonna go ahead and serve it. So now you also need 2 bananas. I just took about a quarter of a banana and sliced it because I'm just gonna make 1 serving because I am gonna let the rest of this sit overnight. So when you wake up in the morning, you're gonna want, right before serving, you're gonna wanna add your bananas. You don't wanna add them now because they will break down and turn brown and not be the prettiest. So I'm just gonna make 1 serving in a bowl here, but the rest is gonna go without the bananas in the fridge overnight, and tomorrow I will add the bananas. But this is what you're gonna do in the morning. You're just gonna pretend that this is the whole bowl. This pretty much gained its popularity around the 1960s, but it's been popular for decades and decades and decades, right up until now. So, just gonna serve a little bit of ambrosia. Let me get this out of the way. And I'm gonna put the bananas in there, and we're just gonna mix it around. And that is the whole recipe. I mean, seriously, how good is it? How quick is it? So that's it, my friends. Food of the gods, and your family will thank you for it, or your guests will thank you for it. If you would like to explore more dishes from your childhood, or just the past, I invite you to subscribe. I release new videos every Friday. In the meantime, here's some more retro dishes for you. And remember, every dish, even ambrosia, has a story. I'll see you in the next video.